Hi students, welcome to 7th Standard Computer Science online class. I hope all of you learned the first lesson. Now we are discuss the first lesson book exercise. Dear students, all of you take your computer book in page number 12 and take a pencil also. The first section multiple choice questions. Okay. The first one, which of the following can store the largest amount of data than others? Option A, pen drive. Option B, CD. And option C, DVD. Which one is correct? Option A, pen drive. Second one, which of the following refer to the process of pressing the keys of the keyboard? Option A, writing. Option B, typing. Option C, scrolling. Which one is correct? Option B, typing. Third one, where are the pictures saved in a digital camera? Option A, ROM. Option B, memory chip. And option C, CD. Which one is correct? Option B, memory chip. Fourth one, which of the following enables you to create a drawing on the computer by hand? Option A, MICR. Option B, touchscreen. Option C, graphics tablet. Which one is correct? Option C, graphics tablet. Fifth one, what is the term used to refer to a printed paper? Option A, printing. Option B, print out. Option C, print handout. Which one is correct? Option B, print out. Sixth one, which of the following is an output device? Option A, printer. Option B, webcam. Option C, microphone. Which one is correct? Printer. Option A, printer. Seventh one, which device will you use to input voice or music into the computer? Option A, scanner. Option B, microphone. Option C, touchscreen. Which one is correct? Option B, microphone. The next section, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is a small portable device used to store a huge amount of data. Answer is pen drive. Second one, a dash is a bigger than a printer. Answer is flatter. Third one, a dash is used to input voice, music or other sounds into the computer. Answer is microphone. Fourth one, dash scanner works like a photocopy machine. Answer is flatbed. Fifth one, the output of a monitor is called dash output. Answer is soft copy. Sixth one, thus memory is also called external memory. Answer is secondary. The first one answer is pen drive, second one flatter, third one microphone, fourth one flatbed, fifth one soft copy, and sixth one secondary. The next one, true or false. The first one, a pen drive can store less amount of data than a CD. Say true or false. Answer is false, because a pen drive can store large amount of data than a CD and DVD also. Second one, a mouse usually has two buttons and a scroll wheel. Say true or false. Answer is true. Third one, a flatter is a smaller in size than a printer. Say true or false. Answer is false, because a flatter is bigger than a printer. Fourth one, a monitor is an example of input device. Say true or false. Answer is false. Why? A monitor is an output device. Okay. Fifth one, CDs and DVDs are output devices. Say true or false. Answer is false. Why? What is the reason? The CDs and DVDs are storage devices. The section D, match. Okay. First one, DVD. The answer is can store up to 4.7 GB. Okay. Second one, projector. Answer is used to display output on a large screen. Third one, flatter. Answer is used for printing maps and posters. Fourth one is Blu-ray disc. The answer is can store high definition video content. Fifth one, speakers. The answer is used to listen to music or other sounds. Okay students, all of you complete the one words. Okay, now mark the question answer. The first question is, what are input devices? All of you take your book, page number 6. You can see this small paragraph. Okay, the answer. These devices are used to provide input to a computer from the external world. Some commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, etc. Second question, write the use of the following devices. First one, webcam. This is page number 7. Okay. Answer. A webcam is used to capture real-time videos and images in the computer that can be shared across the network with our friends and relatives. The second one, microphone. This is page number 6. Answer: a microphone is used to input voice, music or other sounds into the computer. It is used to convert human speech into electrical signal. The electrical signal can be stored in a computer and analyzed for speech recognition of the voice. Speech recognition means to identify words that appear in the signal and display them if required. It has many applications such as telephones, hearing aids, motion pictures production, etc. The second question, C, is digital camera. This is page number 7. Answer: a digital camera is used to capture pictures. It stores the pictures in a memory chip. On connecting the camera to the computer, the pictures can be easily transferred to the computer and can be stored or edited or printed. A digital camera is also known as DigitCam. The second question, D, MICR. This is page number 8. Answer: human readable characters are printed on documents like check using iron oxide. These characters can be read by a MICR, magnetic ink character reader, by recognizing the shape of the characters. The second question, E, graphics tablet. This is page number 8. Answer: a graphics tablet enables a user to create drawings on the computer by hand. To create the drawings, the user must draw over a flat surface using a special pen like tool called the stylus. Installations of graphics tablet on a computer usually takes the installation of device drives of the graphics tablet. It is commonly used at computer-aided design, terminals, engineers' workstation, and online tourist schemes. Graphics tablet is also known as the pen tablet or drawing tablet. Okay, students, all of you mark the question answer in your book. Okay, the homework is copy the lesson 1 question answer in computer note and study the book exercise also. The remainder questions are we will discuss in next class. Thank you, students.